Hey everyone, once again welcome back to Homely Classes. So in this video I'm going to share a beautiful three-pieced completely stitched kurta plazo set with dupatta. So girls, just look at this gorgeous party wear set. This is completely stitched three-piece outfit with a beautiful kurta with 3x4 sleeves and matching plazo with elastic waistband, and then this elegant dupatta. OMG, the heavy embroidery work gives such a premium festive look, and this trending purple shade is seriously perfect for weddings, functions and parties. I must say this kurta set should have must in everyone's wardrobe. Honestly, the fitting and finishing look so classy for the price. If anyone is searching for a stylish ready to wear outfit, I have shared the affiliate link below in the description box and also in the comments. Go check it out before it gets sold. This purple outfit is just giving rich festive vibes. For Eid looks, this is perfect. No extra stitching tension, just wear and slay for your special days. If you love classy ethnic outfits, this one is must see. Just look at this beautiful heavily embroidered piece. Perfect outfit for parties also, and also for the Eid. This is the best selection, I must say. Guys, just go and grab this piece before it gets sold. Link is in description box and also in the comment box. Just click on the link, select the size by seeing the size chart and just order it. One more thing, the same piece is available in most of the popular websites like in Amazon, Flipkart and also in Meesho, Myntra also. You can buy from anywhere. The suit is just awesome. The quality completely depends upon the price. Thank you.